They say the universe doesn't speak in words, it speaks in symbols, in timing, and rhythm. But what if it's been speaking directly to you your whole life? Not through noise, but through the stars. Not to control you, but to remind you. Because the moment you took your first breath, the universe left a message. It's called your birth chart. And today, we're going to learn how to read it. Not just to learn more about the cosmos, but to learn more about you. If you're ready to awaken deeper truths, hit like, subscribe, and comment your sun, moon, and rising signs below. Let's explore this map together. The birth chart, also known as a natal chart, is like a cosmic snapshot. It's a mathematical map of where all the planets were the moment you were born. The sun, the moon, Mercury, Venus, all the way to Pluto. But it's more than a chart, it's your cosmic fingerprint. No one else has the exact same one. Every birth chart includes 4 key parts. Planets, these represent energies or drives within you. Signs, these color how those energies express themselves. Houses, these show the areas of life those energies play out. Aspects, these are the angles between planets, telling us how your inner forces interact. Put them all together, you don't just see your personality, you see your mission. Download your free Metaphysical Self-Audit Journal, linked in the description. It's a tool to track your energetic patterns, inner wisdom, and soul evolution. Metaphysics is about the unseen, and astrology is the language that helps translate it. People often think astrology is only about horoscopes and predictions, but it's not about guessing the future. It's about understanding yourself so clearly that you stop creating your own blocks. Because when you know why you repeat certain mistakes, why you attract certain people, why you feel pulled towards certain paths, then you're no longer stuck in the cycle. You become aware, you evolve. Astrology is not a rigid rule book, it's a mirror, and mirrors don't lie. Let's decode your big 3. Your sun sign. This is your core energy, your vitality, your soul's mission. Ask yourself, what lights me up? That's your sun shining through. Your moon sign. This is your emotional world, your subconscious. It reflects how you nurture, how you protect, how you process pain. And your rising sign. This is the mask and the magnet, how the world sees you, and how you activate your chart. Think of these 3 as your cosmic coordinates. When you align them, you step into your power. The magic of astrology isn't in saying, this is who you are, and stopping there. It's in discovering who you could become. Your birth chart shows what comes naturally to you, what you're here to learn, what your soul is mastering in this life. That means it's not just personality, it's potential. Use it like a compass, not a cage. Practice reading your own chart using the glyphs, keywords, and real-world feedback from people you trust. You'll be amazed at how much you begin to see, not just in yourself, but in the people around you. We live in a world that moves fast. Algorithms, notifications, confusion. But astrology brings us back to timing. It reminds us that there's a season for everything. And most importantly, it reminds us that you are not random. You are encoded with meaning, with gifts, with rhythm. And all of it was written in the stars, waiting for you to remember. You were born with the map. It's time to read it. Like and subscribe for more metaphysical guides to decoding your soul. Grab your free self-audit journal below and begin tracking your energy and growth right now. And comment, I walk with my stars. Now repeat this affirmation with me. I am not random. I am rhythm. I am written in the stars. We're at the end of this video. Give us a like on the way out if you stuck it out this long with us. See you in the next video, traveler.